I participated in the Big Write Challenge last year, and I finished my book.
What I loved about doing the Big Write was the support from other writers.
It was everything that I needed. The community, everyone writing together.
They make it all so approachable with bite-sized daily lessons you can fit into your schedule that get you to the finish line one step at a time.
Getting into flow when I'm writing a book has really helped when I know what my goals are going to be every day.
I have ADHD, and I basically had a community full of buddies that sat alongside me to get to the finish line.
It is a very kind and supportive group of writers from all over the world cheering each other on. It's really fantastic.
I saw how everyone was really bonding over the experience and everybody's word counts going up.
It was so fun to have that extra accountability and to write with my writers that I coach and to be able to share all the joys and frustrations of the first draft.
So I'm really looking forward to the Big Write and being part of that community.
So I'm planning to do it again this year and write a book about unicorns.
So if you've got the seed of an idea for a novel, but you don't know how to plant it and grow it into a full novel, you're in the right place. The Novelry is going to be a great experience for you.
So excited to finish a draft this year with the Big Write, just like I did last year.